Hey guys, this video is about automating notifications to your SDRs when a new lead gets added into your CRM. So today I'm going to use Attio and then I'll show you how when a new lead gets created, an automatic notification is going to the person on Slack. And why do we need this? Um, could be one question, right? The reason why we need this is literally the first step of any revenue operations hygiene process. And what we're trying to solve from this is leads that sit in your CRM without getting active for more than 24 hours. Now they get touched within minutes. And then there's research that says that if you reach out to a lead within 15 minutes, the chances of conversion goes up by more than 200%, right? So let's dive into the process. The first step we'll do over here is we'll create a workflow automation of connecting Attio to Slack. The second is I'll show you when we create a record on Attio, how the notification gets shown on Slack. Let's dive into the workflow now. So the workflow is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. We select the record created trigger, and it's important we select the company's object, not the people object, because this workflow gets triggered when a new deal gets added or a new company gets added. And the next step is we trigger the message to the Slack channel. Now, in here, let me just show you how we select post message to channel here. So you'll get an option to select post message to channel. In here, since I've already set up the integration, I'm going to show you what to do next. So when you basically select Slack, it will show you the workspace that you need to connect. And then I've created a channel called Attio Leads where the leads will flow into. And this is the message. This is how the message will go. I'll talk a bit about the variables. So there are three variables I've selected, which is the company name, the estimated ARR, and the employee range, right? So you've got to select create record and then select company name. Um, and then you'll also get employee range and then estimated ARR as well. Now, the important step before this is you'll also have to connect your Slack or rather install Slack with Attio. And for that, you'll have to go to your account settings on Attio and select apps. And then you'll get an option to install Slack from here. And once that's done, you can connect your workspace. Now, moving on to actually showing how this works, let's just create a company. Let's just create, say, Prospio, and let's give an estimated ARR of 10 to 50 million and an employee range of 11 to 50. And then we create a record. So a record has been created over here. Now let's go to the Slack channel over here. See this? So at the same time at 7:43, basically a notification comes to me saying this is the company with the estimated ARR and employee size. Now there's a host of other information that you can send to the SDR. Uh, you could Yeah, you could add a lot of enrichments and then, trigger it with a lot of more information so that the SDR is prepared on the company data, right? So this was in short about how to trigger notifications on Slack from Attio. As I said, one of the most important sales automation process that anyone can think of, and this literally the first step in revenue operations. In case you like this video, like and repost it. And thank you so much, guys.